YouTube, welcome back to Final Cut for People in a Hurry. Today we're going to show you how to size your videos for TikTok. So we're just going to pop open Final Cut Pro. Then we're going to start a new project. Let's import the footage that you want. For me, I'm just going to choose an old short film from last January that I made for Instagram. Then we want to go to the file and go to settings. From there, we're going to modify it to custom and then put 1080 to 1920 for the dimensions. That'll make it perfect for TikTok. From there, you just want to throw your footage on there. And if you find that it's not filling up the whole gap, like I said, this was for Instagram, you want to just scale it so that it fits the proper dimensions so you don't have those black bars. And then there you go, it's all set. From there, you just want to go to share, click Apple 1080, just for a quick little video for TikTok. And there you go, you have the birth of a TikTok baby right there, birth of a TikTok video. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.